World Animal Day. The mission of World Animal Day is to raise the status of animals in order to improve welfare standards around the world. Animals play a vital role in maintaining food chain. World Wild Fund is a non-governmental organization which work in different countries around the world helping to protect endangered species. Aquatic animals lives in ponds, lakes, rivers as known as freshwater animals. Aquatic animals lives in ocean are known as marine animals. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Elephant is the biggest animal on land. The day help to acknowledge the contribution of animal to the world. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. Pollution, deforestation, hunting have risen to demolishing endangered species. World Animal Day was established in the year 1925. World Animal Day is an international day of action for animal rights and welfare which celebrated on October 4. Thank you.